Let's continue the American English consonant system. The letter C is most commonly pronounced k. This is the most frequent sound of the letter C, k, as in coin, class, clinic, conic, picnic. This is a strong, voiceless sound made at the back of the mouth. Frequency 1005. The letter C can also be pronounced s. This often happens before E, I, or Y. S, as in sell, sight, cancel, accent, rice, circle. This is called the soft C sound. Frequency 299. The letter group CH is commonly pronounced ch, as in chat, child, chess, witch, search. This is an affricate sound, starting with t and releasing into sh. Frequency 102. The letter C can also be pronounced sh, as in chef, ocean, watch, delicious, social. Frequency 60. The letter S is most commonly pronounced s, as in salt, save, sight, staff, crisis, dress. This is a voiceless sound with continuous airflow. Frequency 1330. The letter S can also be pronounced z. This usually happens between vowels or at the end of many common words. Z, as in is, does, use, cause, close, please. This is a voiced sound. Frequency 216. The letter S can also be pronounced sh, as in she, cash, shop, sure, sugar, issue. This is a soft, continuous sound. Frequency 167. In some words, the letter S is pronounced zh. This usually occurs between vowels or in certain word endings. Zh, as in vision, usual, version, treasure. This is a voiced version of sh. Frequency 33. The letter Z is pronounced z. Z, as in zero, size, puzzle, prize, freeze. This is a voiced sound. Frequency 57. The letter L is pronounced ul, as in land, link, life, deal, feel, family. This is a voiced sound. The tongue touches the ridge behind the upper teeth. Frequency 1339. In some words, L forms its own syllable and is often called syllabic L or dark L. The vowel sound is reduced and L carries the syllable. Ul, as in able, apple, level, single, sample. Frequency 426. The letter M is pronounced as in mind, math, man, magic, fame. This is a voiced nasal sound. The lips close and air flows through the nose. Frequency 862. The letter N is pronounced n, as in no, nice, nine, line, fine, reason. This is a voiced nasal sound. The tongue touches the upper palate and air flows through the nose. Frequency 1863. The letter F is pronounced f, as in film, wife, fridge, force, brief. This is a voiceless sound. The upper teeth touch the lower lip. Frequency 555. The letter V is pronounced v, v, as in vote, virus, void, van, 5, love. This is a voiced sound. The upper teeth touch the lower lip with vibration. Frequency 437. Let's continue the American English consonant system. The letter R is pronounced R. R, as in run, rock, robot, track, try, free. This is a voiced sound. The tongue is raised and slightly curled without touching the roof of the mouth. Frequency 1181. The R-colored sounds. In American English, R can also color the vowel before it. These are called R-colored sounds, as in R, or, clear, fire, work, hour, there. The vowel and R are pronounced together as one unit. Frequency 440. We'll study R-colored sounds in more detail in the next lesson. The letter Q is pronounced qu. Qu, as in quite, queen, quick, question. The sound begins with k and moves immediately into w. Frequency 235. The letter W is pronounced w. W, as in win, with, work, sweet, away. This is a voiced glide sound. The lips round briefly and then move into the next sound. Frequency 57. The letter X is often pronounced x, x, as in box, text, exit, taxi, toxic, expire. This sound combines k and s. Frequency 106. X pronounced gz. The letter X can also be pronounced gz. Gz, as in exist, exam, exact, example, exotic. This occurs most often at the beginning of words. Frequency 13. Final understanding. American English consonants are sound-based, not letter-based. One letter can produce multiple sounds, and the same sound can appear with different letters. By understanding these patterns, pronunciation becomes clearer, more logical, and more predictable.